Hey everyone, welcome back to Homespot. Today we are turning everyday trash into eye-catching garden art that actually looks intentional. If you have bottles, cans, old containers, or random leftovers, do not toss them yet. Stick around for outdoor DIY upcycling ideas that can make your yard feel creative, personal, and totally unique. Turn an old mirror into outdoor garden art by mounting it securely on a fence or wall, then letting surrounding plants become part of the reflection, because the mirror doubles the feeling of greenery and makes a small space look deeper and brighter. Choose a frame with patina, add climbing vines or flowers to soften the edges, and position it to catch gentle morning light so the garden feels like an open-air room with a creative, thrifted twist. Give worn-out boots a second life as playful garden decor by filling them with potting soil and bright flowers, since the contrast between rugged leather and fresh blooms instantly creates a story in the yard. Place the boot planters near a path or porch step where people will notice them, add trailing plants for movement, and repeat with mismatched pairs to build a fun, quirky cluster that feels intentional rather than messy, like a small gallery of rescued finds. Create a colorful herb display by upcycling empty paint cans into a vertical garden, cleaning them well, adding drainage, and hanging them in neat rows on a fence so the wall becomes functional art. Paint each can in a coordinated palette. Label the herbs for a handmade touch, and mix textures like rosemary, mint, and basil so the arrangement looks lush from a distance, turning a plain garden boundary into a bold focal point that also supports daily cooking. Transform an old picture frame into living wall art by building a shallow planter backing, filling it with soil, and planting mixed succulents tightly so the frame reads like a botanical painting in the garden. Use contrasting rosette shapes and dusty colors for visual depth. Let it root before hanging, and mount it where indirect sunlight keeps it vibrant, creating a piece that feels both crafted and alive. Perfect for viewers who love before and after transformations with real texture. Make outdoor wall art by arranging painted terracotta pots on a wooden grid, mixing empty pots for pattern and planted pots for life, so the installation feels both graphic and organic. Use a limited color scheme for a clean look. Then add 1 or 2 bright accent pots that pull attention like a signature, and hang the piece where sunlight casts sharp shadows that shift during the day. turning a simple upcycling idea into a dynamic garden feature that feels curated. Build a succulent wreath as a living statement piece by using a sturdy wreath form, packing it with soil, and inserting hardy succulents so the finished shape looks like a sculptural crown on your garden gate. The best part is how it photographs, with tight textures and layered greens that read as luxury even though it is DIY. And as it grows, it becomes more personal, giving your viewers an inspiring reminder that garden decor can be alive, evolving, and handmade. Turn scrap pallets into a potting bench that doubles as garden decor by building a simple work surface, adding shelves for pots, and styling the area like a mini outdoor studio, because a well-organized bench instantly makes the garden feel more intentional. Keep the wood rustic, add hooks for tools, and incorporate a few upcycled containers for storage so the setup looks practical and pretty, creating a perfect backdrop for crafting, planting, and showing satisfying transformations on camera. Create a soothing garden accent by making a wind chime from repurposed metal and wood pieces, then hanging it where breezes move through the plants, because sound is part of outdoor art and it makes the space feel alive. Combine different lengths for gentle variation. Keep the look cohesive with one finish or color family, and place it near a seating corner so the chime becomes a daily reminder that discarded objects can bring comfort, atmosphere, and beauty to a simple backyard. Craft a decorative birdhouse from reclaimed wood and make it a garden focal point by painting it in cheerful colors or lightly distressing it for a vintage look, then mounting it among flowers where it reads as sculpture even before birds arrive. Add small details like a tiny perch, hand-painted patterns, or a simple roof shape that matches your garden style, and the result feels both sweet and purposeful, giving viewers a project that blends outdoor art with nature-friendly function. Upcycle galvanized tubs into statement planters by drilling drainage holes, filling them with layered greenery, and grouping different sizes together so the display feels like intentional outdoor styling rather than random containers. The weathered metal adds farmhouse character and reflects light softly, while bold plants like coleus or flowering annuals provide color that pops against the gray finish, creating an easy, high-impact garden decor moment that reads expensive on screen even though the materials are simple. Turn an old wheelbarrow into rolling garden art by planting it like a mobile flower bed, mixing upright blooms with trailing plants that spill over the sides for drama. Keep the wheelbarrow finish authentic, with chipped paint and hints of rust, because those imperfections sell the upcycled story. Then park it where it becomes a centerpiece near a path or patio, and the whole scene feels like a moving still life, showing viewers how one discarded tool can become a charming seasonal display. Design a vertical garden feature by hanging simple wooden shelves with rope and arranging terracotta pots across the tiers, because the clean lines of the shelves make the plants look like an art display. Keep spacing even. Choose herbs or small foliage plants for a tidy silhouette, and let the natural textures of rope, wood, and clay do the decorating. Then mount on a fence or wall where it acts like a living bookshelf, giving the audience a calm, modern DIY that feels handcrafted. Give the garden an industrial edge by turning old ammo boxes into hanging planters, adding drainage and lining them if needed, then suspending them with chains so they read like rugged wall art. The scratched metal and utilitarian shape creates strong contrast against soft leaves and flowers, which makes the planting look even more vibrant. Arrange multiple boxes in a staggered layout for visual rhythm, and the finished piece feels bold, unexpected, and highly clickable for a trash to treasure theme. Repurpose a wire spice rack as a compact vertical herb planter by mounting it outdoors and slipping small pots or liners into each slot, because the rack already organizes plants like a mini living display. Add simple labels and keep the palette mostly green for a clean look, then include one flowering herb for a pop of color. And suddenly a forgotten kitchen item becomes garden decor that looks neat and purposeful. Perfect for viewers who want small space DIYs with practical, everyday value. Build a colorful garden art feature by leaning a trellis grid against a wall and hanging small bucket pots in the openings, creating a plant mosaic that reads like a living mural. Use buckets in coordinated colors, vary plant shapes for depth, and let some blooms spill over for a soft, abundant feel. then the trellis becomes more than support. It becomes a centerpiece. This idea is great for camera because the grid gives instant structure and the colors deliver quick visual impact. That is it for our Trash to Treasure outdoor DIY ideas, from vertical planters to bold yard accents that make your garden feel like an art space. The goal is simple. Reuse what you already have, add a little color and creativity, and let plants do the rest. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and tell me in the comments which idea you would try first on Homespot.